Hello, welcome back to my channel. I recently bought a new Glock, kind of a problem solver for me. And by that I mean I had a Glock 19 and a sub 2000 that took Glock 17 mags. So it wasn't really a big deal because they both would take the big sticks. And I have 7 of these big sticks. I can fit 2 in a pouch. So I can fit 6 in my carrier here if I was so inclined to do so. I had my Serpa holster already attached to my rig for Glock 19. And I have a bunch of holsters. This is one I'd use to open carry for a Glock 19. And I have another clip-on Serpa holster that you just wear with your jeans. So I had 3. I probably even have another holster for a Glock 19. I love the Glock 19. But the Glock 19 mags wouldn't work in my sub 2000. And I wanted it to. So what the military did was they made, especially for me, a Glock 19 slide. Basically the whole upper end of this is a Glock 19. But it's got a longer grip, and it takes Glock 17 mags, which are 17 rounds. Now, on a side note, the Glock came with 3 mags. The other 2 mags were 17 plus 2, so there's 19 rounds. 19 rounds, 19 rounds, and then 17 rounds. That's a pretty good deal. The 19X comes with tritium sights. I believe they're tritium. And the gun's not loaded. Mag is, but it's not loaded. Anyway, it was a perfect fit for me. One, I got to use all my old holsters, including the Serpa, on my chest rig. I'll probably wind up going to get some extra mags. These probably don't fit in here. Maybe they will. Nope. So they won't fit in there, but they fit in this carrier. Safariland. Glock 17, 22, of course work for 19 also. I got this off eBay. Holds 3 mags. The Glock 19 mags were just a little bit lower. But I can get another mag and put in that and just keep that on my belt. But I can load my 19 or my big sticks, and I got 3 pouches. Normally they'd be for AR, probably AR mags, but if I needed to, I could load it up with Glock 19 stuff. And these 17 plus 2 fit right into my sub 2000, which takes Glock 17 mags. So there I got 19 rounds plus 1 in the chamber if I decide to do so. I probably would never carry 1 in the chamber because when you fold it up, it would just fall out. So when it's folded up, you can't keep 1 in the chamber. You have to unfold it and then chamber 1. But it was a problem solver for me because now I can carry my Glock 19X along with my G17 sub 2000, and they will take all the same mags. All the mags will interchange. Even this 17 round P mag. The 17P mag that came with the Kel-Tec will fit into the Glock 19X. Anywho, pretty happy with it. Haven't shot it yet. I just brought it home today, and I wanted to show you why it's a problem solver for me. I could have just got rid of the 19 and bought a 17, or I could have got rid of my sub 2000 and got one that took Glock 19 mags. But I didn't want to get rid of the sub 2000. I like the longer handle for the 17 mags. And the Glock 19X seems to be all the rage lately. It matches my chest rig. It comes with, I think they're night sights. And also, what's nice about the Glock 19X is it's Gen 4 or 5, I don't know, but it has the back straps. And it is a little thinner this way, just a touch thinner than the Gen 3 19. So it's a little bit better for my hand. I can grip this a little bit better than I could the Gen 3 19. So, pretty happy with it. I love the color. Like I said, it fits my chest rig. And I am all ready for the apocalypse. I think I got binoculars in here. I got a flashlight here somewhere, right here. I don't know what I'll put in here. I guess I could put flashlights in there. That works. Always need flashlights. Them other two pretty much don't do anything. I could probably... These rigs are so versatile. You can change them around. Do so much with them. I got some dark earth carabiners on here. Both sides. For whatever reason. Carrying them along with me. Anyway, the 19X. Good to go. I got one. Oh, no, I got lucky. And I know it's kind of a gimmick gun. You really don't need it. A 19's easier to conceal. If you're not going to conceal it, you might as well have a 17. But in my particular setup, it worked really well for me because it had Glock 19 holsters, but I needed Glock 17 mags because of the or the sub 2000. So, worked out good for me. What did I do? I traded in my Glock 19 Gen 3. I had 3 extra mags. I traded an old shotgun and $100. So I didn't think I made out too bad. Where I bought this was $5.99, which is a pretty good price, brand new. At Sowers and Williamsport. John and Don, both good guys if you're local. Anyway, I want to thank you for watching.